I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ghost notes in FL Studio. Ghost notes are an incredibly useful feature in FL Studio, allowing you to see notes from other patterns directly within your current piano roll. They appear as faint, translucent representations, providing a visual guide for your melodies, harmonies, and rhythms. This powerful tool helps you create more cohesive and well-structured musical arrangements, ensuring all your parts fit together perfectly. Let's dive into how to activate and utilize them effectively. To activate ghost notes, first open the piano roll for the specific instrument or pattern you are working on. Once inside the piano roll, look for the small arrow icon in the top left corner, which opens the piano roll options menu. From there, hover over View and then simply click on Ghost Channels or Ghost Notes. You'll immediately see faint representations of notes from other patterns appear, ready to guide your composition. It's a quick two-step process. Once enabled, Ghost Notes become an invaluable compositional aid. They allow you to visually reference other instrument parts, making it much easier to write complementary melodies, harmonies, or bass lines. For instance, you can see your kick drum pattern while programming your bass, ensuring perfect rhythmic alignment. This visual feedback helps prevent clashes and promotes a more cohesive sound across your entire track, saving you significant time and effort in the long run. For advanced users, remember you can customize the appearance of ghost notes in FL Studio's general settings, adjusting their color and transparency to suit your preference. This can be found under General Settings in the main menu. Also, try using ghost notes when layering multiple instruments to ensure they all sit well together harmonically. They are a powerful tool for achieving a polished and professional sound. Master this feature, and your productions will undoubtedly benefit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.